Hey everyone, so is your Airtable automation not working? Maybe your automation isn't triggering, actions aren't running, or the workflow just stops unexpectedly. Yeah, that can be pretty frustrating, especially if you rely on automation to manage tasks or updates. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Airtable automation not working in 2026. And most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, check the automation trigger. Make sure the trigger condition is set correctly and that the event you're expecting actually meets the trigger rules. Next, use the built-in test feature. Airtable lets you test both the trigger and each action to see exactly where the problem occurs. Sometimes automations stop working if fields or tables were renamed, moved, or deleted. Double check that your automation still points to the correct table and fields. Make sure your account has the right permissions. If you're not the base owner or editor, you might not have permission to run or modify automations. Airtable keeps a run history for every automation. Check the history log to see if the automation failed and what error message was returned. If you're using the free or lower tier plan, automation runs may be limited. If you hit the monthly limit, your automations will stop until the limit resets. If the issue continues, try turning the automation off and on again, or recreate it from scratch. Sometimes rebuilding the automation fixes hidden configuration problems. And that's it. Most Airtable automation issues can be fixed by checking triggers, reviewing run history, and verifying permissions or limits. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.